In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive multiple videos in Loom 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, find your recordings, select several at once, use Loom's bulk actions to archive them, or move them into a dedicated folder as an alternative, and then double check that everything landed where it should. First, open Loom's login page and sign in to your account. Use the method you normally use, whether that's email, single sign-on, or another option. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace or home screen. Next, head to your video library, click My Videos or Library, depending on what your interface shows. This takes you to the place where all your recordings live. You'll see your videos displayed in a grid or list, along with thumbnails, titles, and basic details. Give the page a second to load everything if you have a lot of content. Now let's select multiple videos. Hover your mouse over a video thumbnail to reveal the selection checkbox. Click the checkbox to select that video. Repeat this for each video you want to include. You can select as many as you need in one go, and you'll see a running count of how many are selected. If you pick something by mistake, just uncheck it and continue. With your video selected, look for the bulk actions area. This usually appears as a toolbar or menu at the top or near the selection area. You should see options like Move to, Archive if the feature is available on your account, and sometimes a More Actions button shown as 3 dots. The tool you choose depends on how you want to organize your videos. If Archive is available, click Archive. Loom will ask you to confirm. Confirm the action, and the selected videos will be archived together. Archiving removes them from your main view while keeping them safely stored so you can access them later if needed. If archive isn't available or you prefer a folder-based approach, use Move to. Click Move to, then either choose an existing folder or create a new one, such as archived videos. Confirm your choice, and Loom will move all the selected items into that folder. This method keeps your main library clean and works just like archiving for everyday organization. Finally, confirm your changes. Open your archive or the folder you used and make sure your selected videos are there. If anything looks off, return to your library, adjust your selection, and repeat the action. That's it. You've organized multiple Loom videos quickly using bulk selection.